Hi everybody, my name is Kimrose. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to use 6 of the most confusing preposition in English. And they are by, into, out of, at, on, and in. So let's get started. Don preposition to ipihaman hite. Preposition ang kiti ahile it's a relationship between noun or pronoun with other object. For example, ading intila na hite. The dog sits near the door. Tahi, the dog to, door, relation hi, kuna simam iti ahile hitivan near hi na. Near hi umlawahile, we will not know the relationship between dog and door. Hiti near ziahi hititeni relationship relations ki hi ziatu hiti near hi preposition hi. Okay? And I will come to by. Ama sa penin by he explain hin bowling kete. By he iti ipalaki mangham iti ahile. For example, by ahong kiti ahile kay by iti ahile ako maumti na hina. K2, I am by the whiteboard. That means I am close to the whiteboard. I am near to the whiteboard. Na, whiteboard ko maka Whiteboard to kinaita ka Hiti ho til ho na say di pale. By naman di. For example, tilahin example ga bikit tao hiti. Tiyaga sa iba nga tu, by hiti pale ki mangham. Near to something. Or close to something. Na, for example, adding to by the park. By the park, that means you are close to the park. And by the coffee shop, that means you are nearby the coffee shop. And you are by your computer, which means you are near the computer or you are close to your computer. Okay? By kiman na tupyam tiahile anaya na umpat. Ipito na kinayham hitip ho tutun by naman di. And then now we'll come to into. Into, by to into, out of, add on, inti ho. Ipidia ka hinsay nung penham itiahile. Competitive exam ahi, hiti ho hi, hung kidong zin, preposition na. Inzo le competitive exam CZL ahi hendang, MPSC ahi zong le preposition, topic hi ita banga ki dong ham dizu question tumle li ho to anna ini vet ha diwahi iti masanga tu explain ka bol no mahin by itai tawin tun into a hong hiti into hi iti pal iman diw hamit yahile movement from open to more closed location nale ale that means into it yahile into the for example atu into hong kiti yahile motion umahi na motion for example tui hu bottle la ka sunta bottle la tui umahile in the bottle the water is in the bottle kati di na aile tui chu kala a bottle sunga ka sunhu into the bottle okay into tiahile tui chu kisung chat tina motion okay hiti ho phat le hun into kimang. Okay, now, to movement from open to more closed location. Okay, movement, motion, umditi na he. Example, into the bank, into the refrigerator. That means into the refrigerator. You are keeping something into the refrigerator and you are going into the bank. That means you are moving. Okay, motion. Okay, and then at low. Tui kasi banga to bottle la tui na kuya hile. Tui satu in the bottle. That means the water is moving from open to inside. That's why into the bottle. Okay? Motion. And then now we'll come to out of. Out of movement from enclosed to more open location. Of course. Come, let's go. Out of the house. That means I am in the house now and I'm out of the house. That means from inside to outside. I shifted my place from inside to outside, which means out of the house. Okay? And then get my money, get some money out of my purse. That means you are getting some money from my purse. From inside to outside. You have to pull it out from the purse. That means out of the purse. Okay? And then now we'll come to this at, on, and in by using this triangle method. Triangle method na hi ipiham na vat thei ne mu thei chi piting a chi triangle method hi hung ki bol hel ham itia hi le. That means at a hi a scope nail zep, on hi lean zep, in hi lean zep na hi chi chu hi at hi ipi phal iman de ham specific time a hung ki tia hi le apart chat na sei thei a hi le ti ne. Okay? Pung khat apat na baro chan umahin he pung khat apat na baro chan to time kiti he ti time sunga chu if you can point the exact time maybe of 1 maybe 2 3 4 na apung chat na say thea hile meet me at the coffee shop. That means you have to meet that person at the coffee shop, exactly at the coffee shop. Or I can say, meet me at my house. That means I will be in my house. You have to come and we have to meet at the spot, my house. To ho amun chat na say the hwa to at kimang the like 5 o'clock, 12:30, at midnight na apat chat ho amun chat ho na say the na mun ho to at na man din hai. Ahile on hi ti phat na man de ham on hi na man na di chi pham ti le tila hi specific time here at hi tila tham khat hung len zap ka ti china hi china dinga chu one day one date ni khat na man thai chu date khat. That means we'll say on Monday na ni khat, on January na, on New Year's Day na chi hi ni khat New Year's Day yong chu that one ni ham hoi thalolet that one New Year Day. And then you can use on New Year Day, on January. Okay? And now we'll come to in hi ipia ki mang hamitia hile month ho na month la, for example in April ile seasons ho la in winter, in summer, in spring na di thei chu season ho khana. And then years ho adung naman thei chu years tam ta la in 2015. Okay? And then decades, long period ti ho 1930 19 ti ho ang naman thei na he chu a scope ka hin sei nom ne tun tham khat test na bolu hi te chulaya explain ho hi I het thei nam ti anaveu hi te le. My sister got married that's May. Dele inzo May chu hoya uma. That means May chu in May na. In May. Inzo pi kasaya into months khat say na. Months khat say na. Okay? Season khat, years khat, decades khat, long period say ne. And then this will be in. And then where were you dash 28 February? Then hoiti he answer hiditam on, in, at. Then the answer will be on. Why? 28 February. On atu one date, one day. It is nale. And then I get up dash 8 o'clock this morning. What will be the answer? Here, at. Okay? Why at? Because this sentence talks about the exact time, 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay? And then here again, let's come down. She is sitting dash the table. She is sitting dash the table. On zong za the and by zong za the. If she is sitting on the table, on the surface of the table, or you can say she is sitting nearby. That means by the table, close to the table, near to something it is to by zong naman the. Either one of this, you can use it. Both are the right answer. Our company's headquarters is dash Delhi. Ipita tilaya hi in Delhi, right? In Delhi. Ahile, he lives dash the Nute Bazaar. The Nute Bazaar. Nute Bazara chu. Nute Bazara chu. Bazaar a chu kui ma cheng thei lo chu na. Cha chu a kom la na cheng thei chu. Cha chu he lives by the Nute Bazaar. That means Nute Bazaar ko ma ka cheng e. Ti thei chu. Nute Bazara cheng hilovin. Bazar muna che bazara chu che umma umdan hilovin. Bazar ko ma chu chin na. Ele ke bang chu hoya na chen ham hoi la ya na ham itia hile then I have to say by the church. That means church ko ma ka cheng e na. Okay, when we walk that's the school, it was raining. Ti ka say no. When we walk here, chai pi ti tam into the school. Okay, school ahi chi to omai walk into. That means motion hai katit. Nale. I need to run dash the cycle market. That means here also into. Okay, because motion running, motion touch now. Then I have to be dash the office until 6 p.m. It is 6 p.m. exact time says atu. You can use in or at. Si khat pen di di chu. Khat pen di chu ania di khat pen na za the di oh, I forgot to take my phone. Dash your bag. Ipikasiya injo atu. Movement from and close to more open location, which means asunga pa na apula nga po do ditya a teenager. My phone out of your bag. And then last one tele, I want to get dash town. That means you want to get into the town or out of the town. That means the correct answer will be to get out of the town. Out of town, right? So this will be correct answer. To previous question, SSC for SSC CZL 2024 le MPSC question tham khat anavyo. Tu na chay na adingin preposition competitive exam preposition portion hi ito banga ki dong hamti question izat ham khat anavyo hite. Tun hiti competitive exam chu preposition common era kitizi hai na. Tun ama sapenin Gita got onto the book slash she was reading this morning. And hoy lai pen hi error umham. She was reading. She was reading to grammatically error umlo hai na. Hiti aha na hi ipiham iti ahile. Abo no vahi adi to kilo to ahi wanga error khat ki to to invat dio he. She was reading this morning. Gita got onto the book. Hoiti pen hi A B C D ahi grammatically error grammar error umham. Samhat navat numo vahile video post bolovin lang anaki gelubo. To an answer hin say penge hiti hi correct answer hidi na. It's like hi error ipizia on to na on to zi ahi si hidi lo he. Adi ita achu into hidi chu na. Ipizi inam tile Gita got into the book she was reading this morning. Then ako on to ti ahile a cover say na chu. A cover a surface a cover to say na hito. Kui man a cover simlo dito na. Into the reading as achu. That means Gita is reading what is written inside the book. What is in the book, inside the book na. Tizi achu into ahingay na. And then now we'll come to second. My brother received his MBA degree into the university last year. A, the university last year. B, his MBA degree into. No error. My brother received. Which one of them? Which one of them is grammatically error? Grammatically wrong. That means this one. Azi chu into kiti thailo chu. Ama in MBA degree chu hoilai muna ala ham from the university. It's not from. Can you understand? That's into hidilo. Then B is the correct answer. Okay. And then now we'll come here. He never talks for anyone. He is alone all day. Okay. He is alone for anybody. He never talks all day. He never talks. Okay, for anybody. What's he wrong answer? Which one has a wrong grammatically? Wrong grammar. Then it's a he. This will be correct answer. And this has a grammatical error. Why? For. Okay. Azitu, he. Listen. Talk. So he two kizang. Okay. And then if this is two, anybody, then this will be correct answer. For so he him no. Na. And the cat jump, that's the mental piece. To hum, on hum at. It's like he answer he on to he. If is the cat jump matil motion he kadis. Na into example atu bottle atu umchu in the bottle. The water is in the bottle. Tui na thaya hile tui chu alunga hi chu into the bottle. He's na. So the cat jump does onto the mental piece, which means moving. Jump hi chu amahi. Motion na chat tin khana pa na khana ki chom chi chu chu ele jump hi lovin ama hi the cat is on the mantelpiece ti thei chu but jump ma zau ja chu it's motion hi ja chu onto cha chu into onto a zau po po wa hi le motion zau di tin oh chat di from one place to another na ai lo wa hi le na thei pa pa chu chat di tin he. The man died, that's typhoid. The man died, that's typhoid. He piham hile. Die of disease. Na, die by violence. Na dito. Die from injury. Na, ay lawa hile. Die for country. Die in battle. Nati thechu. Tam na lai chu. Then ahile to chu ipiha typhoid he disease na. Then die of he answer C. Na ele you are angry that's me atigitu. So you are angry that's me. With he person say na chu. About he something say na chu na. Ele hoi chi hale. Me he pita person. To answer with. Na, it's he. Preposition he trick tamatam he. Preposition he to invert no go say to hilo na. Through itiahile. For example, sila hin table khat umzo. Pa cha na tun chu chahe. Table he ato kha ze ato on the table kiti theju. Pa cha he the flower pot is on the table because table a surface hi upper surface hi flower pot hin touchable na siya to on the table kiti theju. And then meng cha khat hi hung ki chom a ki chom ma hile that means over the table. Okay, and then achunga hi light khat ki va hile it's a light to above the table. On, over, above ti hozong so bona preposition na through ti hozong hitia hi sung ku ma train ahunga hile asunga ahunga hile that means the train is passing through the hole through long to preposition. Okay, through long to preposition. And then if I'm hitting my head, then here I'm hitting my forehead against against the marker. That against is also a preposition. Hiti atu hiti ho hi hiti papa le iti papa le ki mangham ti hi study habo ngai na. Then hiti a competitive exam preposition portion ka hi tricky diwa hung ho hi bait hena catch up ibolva hele error to mark ibolva answer di pa chu kang chalai ho do thayo hi tunya ningin hitan hinchai ta hoitin agichai chan vehozo se ka ke pai. Thank you for watching.